When I first came across Olymptrade, I had the same question a lot of beginners ask: where do I even start? I didn't want to jump in with real money right away. Too risky. That's when I found out about the demo account. Honestly, that's what gave me the confidence to even try. So in this video, I'll walk you step by step through how I use the Olymptrade demo account, what I learned from it, and why I think every beginner should start here. But what is Olymptrade? Olymptrade is an online trading platform that's been around since 2014. It allows people to trade a variety of assets, from currencies and stocks to commodities and even crypto, all from one simple interface. The platform is designed to be beginner-friendly with a clean layout, built-in indicators, and a free demo account loaded with 10,000 virtual dollars so you can practice before using real money. Olymptrade is also a member of the Financial Commission, which provides an extra layer of protection and support for traders. Today, millions of users in more than 130 countries use Olymptrade to learn, practice, and trade the markets. Whether you're just starting out or looking to sharpen your skills, it's a platform built to help you take those first steps in online trading. That said, let me walk you through how I got started. The first step was creating an account. It only took me a couple of minutes, just my email and a password. And right away, Olymptrade gave me 10,000 virtual dollars to trade on demo. I remember thinking, this is exactly what I need, a safe space to learn without losing money. At first, the platform looked a little intimidating, charts, assets, indicators everywhere, but I slowed down and explored. On the left, I saw all the assets, from currencies to stocks and even crypto. In the center was the live chart, and at the bottom, the amount and time settings for each trade. Once I clicked around for a while, it started to feel familiar, like any other tool you just need a bit of time to get used to. The demo account gave me something really valuable: confidence. It's basically a practice ground where you can test your skills, make mistakes, and learn, all without risking a single shilling. I treated it like a driving simulator. Pilots use simulators before flying, right? Same idea here. It let me focus on learning, not worrying about losses. When I felt ready, I started experimenting with strategies. The moving average was my go-to. If the price was above the line, I looked for an uptrend, below, a downtrend. I also tried the RSI indicator. For example, when RSI hit above 70, I thought maybe the market's overheated. When it dropped below 30, maybe it was undervalued. Were my first trades perfect? Not at all, but the point was, I could practice again and again without stress. Now let me be real. I lost my demo balance multiple times. But that was the beauty of it. With a single click, I could reset back to $10,000 and try again. Each reset felt like a second chance. And I started noticing patterns in my own behavior. Sometimes I traded too big. Other times I rushed in without confirmation. The demo helped me recognize those mistakes before they cost me real money. After weeks of practice, I finally felt ready to switch to a real account. But I started very small, just a few dollars per trade. Because here's the truth. The demo prepares you technically, but real money adds emotions. And emotions change everything. That's why it's important to keep practicing discipline and risk management. Before I wrap up, let me share the pros and cons I noticed. On the positive side, the demo account is completely free and it comes loaded with 10,000 virtual dollars to practice with. You can also reset the balance whenever you need to, which means you never actually run out of practice money. The platform itself is quite simple and beginner-friendly, and the best part is that it gives you a safe space to build real confidence without putting your money at risk. But there are some downsides too. Trading on demo definitely feels easier than trading with real money because there's no emotion involved. That's why it's important not to get overconfident. Success on demo doesn't guarantee success on a live account. And of course, once you switch to real trading, you always have to. It's the best way to start, to learn the basics, and to prepare yourself for real trading. Quick disclaimer before we wrap up: trading always involves risk. Olymptrade, like any trading platform, gives you the tools, but it doesn't guarantee profits. The demo account is a great way to practice, but once you switch to real trading, you should only invest money you can afford to lose. Results depend on your knowledge, discipline, and decision making, not on the platform itself. Nothing in this video is financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. Always do your own research and trade responsibly. So, is the Olymptrade demo account worth it? Absolutely. It's the best way to start, to learn the basics, and to prepare yourself for real trading. If you want to try it yourself, I've left a link in the description where you can sign up for free and start practicing today. And if this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll be sharing more tips and tutorials about trading on Olymptrade. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.